I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today I'm participating in an Easy Meals collaboration. Before we get started on our recipe, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. This wonderful collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Debbie Bubbles, Jean Home Decor, and more. Guest host is me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out the easy meal ideas on these other channels. They'll be listed below, as well as any other participants in this collaboration. The first part of my quick and easy meal is going to be a dessert. I'm going to put together an angel food cake and a can of pumpkin puree. I'm going to put them in my slow cooker and get them started. We'll just pour our cake mix and our pumpkin puree in a mixing bowl and get them mixed up. Make sure to spray your slow cooker so that nothing sticks. I have a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, and this is not the pie filling. It's just actually the pumpkin puree itself. It's just pure pumpkin, and I'm going to be adding in the angel food cake. The pumpkin is a 15-ounce can, and the angel food cake is a 16-ounce box. Just get these mixed together really well. The crock pot is sprayed now, and I've got it turned on high. We can put this in the crock pot for 2 hours on high or 4 hours on low. But since I'm going for the quick today, I have mine set to high. This mixes so easily and it smells so good. I have this super cute little pitcher that I bought at the Dollar Tree a while back, and I can't believe how long I've been using it. It works really great for recipes that I need to pour out, pancakes or things I want to put in the slow cooker. It has a really nice pour spout and a handle on the side. This recipe is from my YouTube friend, Molly Purcell. Moving on to my next recipe, I'm going to be making some deviled eggs for dinner. My husband and I love to have these as a little side dish with our dinner. These only take just a couple of minutes to make, and they're so easy. I boiled these eggs yesterday, and I've had them in the refrigerator. Now I'm just going to cut them in half and put the yellows into a bowl. I'll just put the little egg halves onto a little platter. These only take just a couple of minutes to make, so this is a super easy little side dish with lots of protein to add to our meal. Now I'm just going to take a fork and start mashing up these yellow yolks real quick and easy. The yolks are all mixed up, and I'm just going to add a hint of mustard, not too much, and a little dash of apple cider vinegar. You could also use white vinegar. Just about a half a teaspoon or so. And then the only other thing we need to add is just some mayonnaise to make it nice and smooth and creamy. You can add as much or little as you would like. And that seems to be just the right amount. You've probably already guessed I've made this recipe hundreds of times. Now I'm just going to take this filling and I'm going to put it right in the eggs. It works really great just to take a second spoon and to swipe it right off. And as you can see, this just took me a couple of minutes. My husband will be so excited to have these for dinner tonight. Now that our deviled eggs are all done, I'm just going to take some smoked paprika and put a little bit right on the top. Just a nice little dusting to give it a little bit of extra flavor and a beautiful color. And it was just that easy. I made this homemade focaccia bread yesterday. This will be coming out in a video before too long. I have a chicken breast here, and I'm going to slice it nice and thin. I want to make really, really nice thin chicken breasts so they'll cook really quickly and really nice. These will be perfect on our little sandwiches tonight. And I'm going to go ahead and cook up the extra chicken so that I can have this for lunch tomorrow. I'll just get a little olive oil heating in my skillet. I'm just going to use some fajita seasoning to season my chicken. In no time at all, our chicken is done and ready for us to put on the homemade focaccia bread. And I have some pepper jack cheese here. This cheese has a little bit of spice to it. I'm just going to put the cheese on and put the top right back on the sandwich. That cheese will get nice and melted and keep that sandwich put together. And here's our easy meal. I have the grilled chicken sandwich on the homemade focaccia bread that I just had left over from yesterday. And I have some wonderful deviled eggs that only took minutes to put together with hard-boiled eggs I already had made in the refrigerator. And I'll be serving this wonderful dinner with a beautiful side salad. Our dinner was so wonderful, and now let's see how our dessert turned out. I'm so excited to try this wonderful dessert. It looks absolutely delicious. And I'm gonna put a big dollop of Cool Whip topping right on the top. Such a wonderful, delicious dessert any time of the year, but especially now in the fall. I had so much fun participating in this collaboration. Be sure to check out all of the other channels that are participating. They'll be listed below, and see what other wonderful recipes that these participants have to share. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.